Greetings. This tip is about your Bolt Trail or BHHS Connect website. I want to take my example of the website here. It's typically your full name .foxandroach.com, and this is my Bolt Trail website. It has a little meet me, and it has some property searches based on property types, etc. listings, etc. So what I want to do in this demo is show you how we can add featured areas that you do business in. It's easy for customers to, your web visitors, to find those areas, go there and find searches that are exactly what you set up. We'll do a couple. Let's dive in. So the way you get there is you, on your BHHS Connect account, you go and click Web and IDX. You do that, and then once this page loads, you want to go to widgets. Widgets is where you can add functionality. As you can see, current state, there's a Meet Me section and a default property type widget, which is what if I go to my website, Meet Me section and property section, right? Obviously there's a search at the top, but what we want to do is add, and move myself over here, we're going to add featured areas section. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the add button, and there it is, right? And it might take a few seconds to pop there, but it's there now. Now we got to go in there and add our section, so our areas. So I'm going to click edit, and you can see here you can do up to 9 in this widget. So I'm going to hit add area, and this gives you the widget configurations. I'm going to do one for North Wales, the city I live in, and the way you type it here is the way the name appears on this picture. We'll come to the picture in a second. Locations. I'm just going to type in North Wales, and you'll see it shows the city in the drop down area. You can also do school districts here. So if you pick a school, it just sort of, whoever can attend that school, it shows you that. But city, I want to pick city. And then you can also draw on map. If it's a custom area that spills over into other zip codes, you can do that. Images, there's some stock imagery. Let me click on change image. There's some images here, media library stock images. I'm going to go under stock, and they're all interior shots. You can add your own shot. I like this colorful shot here, but let's just go with living room one, this one right here, and say insert file. So it's going to be that image, and then North Wales PA will overlay that, and we'll go from there. Now, listing type. When they click on it, what type of listings do you want them to see? So I'm going to stick to single family. You can add multiple things here. You could do single family. You could also do, condos if I wanted, right? But I'm just going to stick with single family. Style, and you can also restrict price range. So if you're focused on, let's say 400 to 600, you could do that. I'm not going to do that for now in this example, but you could do that. So I'm going to hit save. So one area. Let's go add 3 areas. Add another area. So I'm going to do Chalfont, Pennsylvania, which is right next to North Wales. Chalfont City. You might want to pick a different image. That image is fine since it's different than the other one. I'm going to muck with it. Listing type. I'm going to still do single family on this. As an example, I'm going to hit save. Now, you can see that explore North Wales, explore Chalfont. Now I'm going to hit add area. Let's do one more. And I'm going to do Bluebell, PA. And that's just the name. See here, you can do city, county, or zip. And I'm going to hit Bluebell again, and that you can do neighborhood zip as well. You can see that. If I wanted to do Bluebell Country Club, I could do that if it's a big enough neighborhood. So, and that's pulling from the MLS. So I'm going to do city and hit it. Look, it picks a different image. That's fine. It's just different than the other two, so that looks good. And I'm going to go ahead and do the single family here, and voila, I hit save, and there it is. And make sure you hit save again because otherwise your work is not saved. So that should do it. I have now a featured area widget. Let's go to my website and hit refresh, and let's see what it produces. There they are. Featured areas, North Wales, Chalfont, Bluebell, and you can add up to 9. And what you want to do here is, see, put feature areas at the top. Let me show you one other trick. If you want this Meet Me, which is probably you can drag and drop it. So Meet Me is at the top. If you go here now, feature areas at the top. I just moved it. Let me refresh it, and it will, if it did it, what I said it should do. It would move Meet Me at the top, right below the search, as it did, and now the feature areas come through. I want to click on one of these. Let's click on Chalfont. Let's go to it and see 18 results in Chalfont for single family. And these are canned pages, search pages that you can put on your website to help you focus on the areas you serve. Great day, everybody.